bracing for potentially catastrophic flooding as Hurricane Hilary churns off the Pacific. And we just learned moments ago that the storm has weakened just a bit to a Category 3 storm with 125-mile-an-hour winds. And right now it's lashing Mexico with strong winds and high waves. Forecasters warn that it could dump more than a year's worth of rain across parts of California, Nevada, and Arizona. The storm is expected to weaken as it moves north, but the threat is so severe. Tropical storm watch has been issued for California, the first ever for that state.
Hi guys, good morning guys. Kumusta na po kayo? Today is Sunday, August 20, 2023. So as we know guys, the storm is coming to California right now, to Southern California. Nagmo-monitor po ako dito sa news, nagwi-weekend na daw po. So doon sa Los Angeles na area, nandun yung anak ko. Medyo sabi niya, okay naman mami. So thanks God, hindi na lang po ako umuwi doon dahil salubungin ko yung ano. So mag-stay na lang po sila doon. And then dito naman guys, hindi ako umalis dito sa may Bodega Bay kasi mukhang okay naman siya guys. Kaninang umaga, maraming mangingisda din lumalabas kanina. At yung iba bumabalik na rin. So ibig sabihin, kasi well-informed naman yung mga yan. Kasi ina-allow sila ng Coast Guard nga mag-fishing eh. Tapos tingnan mo rin dito guys, may nagbo-boating dito guys. So, yan. Sana hindi ko na nakita. Natol na sa seashore. Tapos dito guys, yung campground, nandyan pa rin sila guys. Hindi naman na-evacuate. Tapos may nag-fishing din dyan guys. So, din sa may mga bato-bato na yun, may nag-fishing dyan guys. At saka dito, itong campground fronting me, hindi din nag-evacuate. So, that means to say, we're fine here. Medyo layo naman kami dito guys, sa mismong talaga, direct hit. But we will experience some, drizzle, ganon. Cloudy, drizzle, konting ulan-ulan. So, stay put na lang ako dito guys. Hindi na lang ako alis kasi complicated na. So, I just stay where am I right now. And then, this morning maraming mangingisda, so that means to say the weather should be good. But anyway, the news guys latest sa CNN na nagwi-weekend na daw yung hurricane papuntang California to sabi Category 3, so it must be higher before that. The stronger is the lower number, right? I think so. Yeah, so Category 3 na siya guys, as what we expected na talagang worst. But still pa rin the risk of potential flooding and mga danger niyan. So anak ko, sabi ko huwag kang lumabas ng bahay, stay ka lang dyan. Ayan. So dito naman, stay put na lang din ako dito guys. Anyway, okay naman ako dito sa awa ng Diyos. Kasi kung may problema talaga, pinapaalis na kami dito. So kanina umaga, medyo low tide, ngayon nag high tide na. So kanina may nakikita akong may doon ng clams. Again, kumukuha ng clams doon nga banda area. Ayan, kasi maluwag pa yung yung seashore kumbaga. Yung nagkukuha ng mga clams. So ito ang current situation guys. Medyo tingnan mo yung sky, may pagka-blue pa naman konti. May drizzle on and off but it's not that bad. So we're gonna be fine down here. And if you look around, tingnan mo yung tubig. Tahimik lang yan guys yung tubig. May dumaan lang talaga nga boat kaya nakaganyan. Tapos yung kabila may camper van doon. Actually marami sila dito kanina nagpi-fishing. Tapos the next time umalis, siguro natakot or whatever, may naglalagay ng tent or I don't know where did they go. Yan. So I think maaga sila dito dahil nangunguha ng mga shells diyan, nangingisda. Pero umalis na sila. And today is Sunday naman eh. But I don't know, umalis lang. Nalinis talaga dyan guys. Kanina maraming tao dyan. Ngayon medyo luminis na. So guys, nag-update lang po ako dito. So pre-recorded lang po ito nga video. Straight from Bodega Bay, California. So again, this is your friend from California, si Rosario. Gina-update ko lang po kayo guys ang current situation dito. So basically, I'm not getting out here. Dahil worst case scenario, pwede naman po akyat dyan sa bundok dyan, bundok dyan, akyat ako. At saka may paligiran ako ng bundok dito guys. Kalaban yung landslide. But anyway, whatever na. Whatever ko na anong gagawin. But anyway, look at us guys. Oh. We have blue skies. Hi, good morning.
Hi.
I think the Hurricane Hilary is weakening now.
I was going to call my sister down there.
Yeah, it's weakening to 3 now in Southern California. So that's good thing.
Okay.
Good news. Yeah, you're welcome. So, kausap ko yung ano guys, itong nagpa-parking dito. Ano siya, puti, pero mabait naman. May dumating dyan guys, oh, nagpa-parking. So, ulit na naman, nagbi-build up naman. Kanina siguro nangatakot kasi cloudy kanina ng umaga pagising ko eh. And then sabi ko mamaya na lang kasi medyo maginaw konti, may kanting hangin, but you know, something not to worry about. Kasi makikita mo naman dyan guys sa horizon kapag talagang bad weather na siya. Kung tingnan mo guys, oh, nagbo-blue na siya, oh. Yan, kanina cloudy tapos may occasional drizzle yung ano natin situation. But right now, look at this. So we're fine, thanks God. And the hurricane is weakening now to category 3. Southern California kasi expected mag-landfall anytime today. So that's a good news guys. Alright, so in-update ko lang po kayo and this is the current situation now. Today is Sunday, August 20, 2023. It's about past 11 in the morning. So magla-lunch time na po kami dito. So guys, kumustahin ko po kayo dyan, lahat ng mga friends ko all over the world. Kung saan man kayo po, magandang umaga, hapon, magandang gabi, or whatever. And then of course, Philippines, good morning, no, good night po kayo dyan guys. Kasi gabi na po kayo, tulog pa kayo ngayon. So, gina-record ko na lang ito. You know, something to remember nga, ganito ang weather namin, past 11 o'clock in the morning, dito sa may Bodega Bay, California. Alright guys, so hopefully naman si Hilary na ating hurricane nga first time nangyari dito sa California for many years since 1936, something like that. Kasi walang hurricane dito sa California eh. So this is the effect na talaga na guys ng global warming. Talagang umiba talaga yung weather natin. Okay guys, so take care everyone. God bless po. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.